Alright, let's go ahead and see what's the difference between shallow neural network and deep neural network. In previous lesson, we had seen the differences between the shallow neural network and the deep neural network. So the shallow neural network, which is here, which have just a single hidden layer, this type of the neural network is very easy to build and it's very simple to understand as well. But there are problems with these shallow neural networks. These are not good for learning a complex pattern because there is just a single hidden layer and complex patterns may not be possible to learn by these type of the neural network. Because these type of the neural networks does not learn complex relationships between the features. But when it comes to the deep neural network, so deep neural networks are actually a complex to build. It also takes time to train, but there are good things with the deep neural network. Deep neural networks actually makes possible that these networks can learn a complex features there. This type of the networks learns those complex relationship between the features so that this type of the network can produce the better accuracy. But only the problem is these networks are heavy network. So these type of the networks takes the time to train, and also these type of the network take larger space for the storage of the model. But these type of the network doesn't take much space. So whenever you have a very simple problem, then you can make a shallow network. But when you have a complex problem, then you can make a deep neural network. Alright, so this is all about in this lesson. I'll see you in next one.